All right, Tatiana, thank you. Very good information there.
Right.
So the snow has melted, and now we're seeing rain for the first time in a long time.
We are. So let's get back to Ryan. So Ryan, you're closely watching the radar right now. I heard a couple people say this morning, will I get a free car wash from this rain today?
I think we are going to get a free car wash. And I know both of your answers to this, but last night, guys, had a little bit of fun with this over on my Facebook page. I asked people, because there's still snow lovers who aren't done with this yet. Remember, we're in February here. I asked, you want a big snowstorm or are you ready for some spring thunderstorms? The answer was pretty clear in my poll that I ended up doing last night. Look at this, 3-1. People are ready for spring. 75% of over 700 comments last night said they're ready for spring. And you might end up hearing a rumble of thunder over the next 24 to 48 hours. Look at our high temperature today is 64 degrees. Guys, our normal high temperature on April 22nd is 64 degrees. So spring fever really going to be hitting out there. And here's that rain you were talking about. Get some of that salt off the car and the roads that has built up over the last 45 days or so. Heavier downpours still into central Indiana. Let's watch our hour-by-hour forecast as it comes through pretty much right as the buses are rolling out and you're going to be heading off to work for this morning. Ends around lunchtime, and then look at the sunshine pop out. This is a barbecue alert if I've ever seen one in February. Highs up into the 60s. It's going to turn pretty breezy. And then tonight, a little cloudy, a little bit cooler, and a renewed chance for more showers, maybe a few rumblers on the way for tomorrow night. So spring the next 48 hours. We'll check out the full 10-day forecast here in just a minute.